One of the easiest ways to lose weight is to help your body process fats more efficiently. While you can't target fat reduction in a specific area, you can help your body burn those fats it already has. One of the most effective aids to fat burning is ginger, which has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine to aid digestion. Some studies have shown that ginger consumption can stimulate metabolism, and there is some evidence that the compound 6-gingerol, which is found in fresh ginger, can increase fat burning. If you want to know more about ginger water benefits, you can click the link at the top or in the description to watch that video. What if we add the lemon to the ginger? Will it still benefit us? Let's look at the advantages of the lemon. Lemons are widely known for their powerful health benefits. It is also a natural way to lose weight because it makes you feel full and satisfied for long periods. Lemons have a rich supply of vitamin C, which aids in digestion, and it also helps reduce the amount of cholesterol in our blood and thus fight heart disease. The acid in the lemon juice has the added benefit of slowing the rate at which your body absorbs carbohydrates. When your body absorbs carbs quickly, the resulting insulin spike leaves you feeling hungry soon after eating. By drinking lemon water, you can control your body's absorption of carbs and cut down on your sugar cravings. It seems like lemon is one of the perfect home remedy. Let's look at more benefits of lemon. The antioxidant properties of lemon are well recognized in promoting immunity and preventing diseases. Vitamin C in lemon is also good for your skin because it can help you to retain moisture. Lemons also have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which help in fighting throat infections and also helps in reducing body temperature. Lemons are a great way to hydrate your body because they are rich in water. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. So, how to make lemon and ginger tea? Ingredients: a half lemon, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, 8 ounces of water. Take a vessel, pour a cup of water, and bring it to a boil. Now squeeze a half lemon into warm water and add ginger to the water. Strain and serve the drink. Take this drink on an empty stomach. Try out these and let us know in the comments, did you lose weight drinking ginger and lemon tea? If you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.